Welcome to PolyGon 2.0 tutorial series. In this video we're going to take a closer look at the PVT tab. When we create a new project, we must specify the pressure, volume, temperature properties or PVT. First of all, we have to set the fluid type. All fluid is set to simple PVT as default and is regarded as single-phase fluid, which can be defined by just four properties: volume factor, viscosity, fluid compressibility, and fluid density. If we want to create a more accurate fluid model, we can use the drop-down menu to choose the correct fluid type, single-phase or multi-phase. Let's start with oil and gas fluid. The default PVT correlation plots are displayed in the middle panel. For every plot, we can choose which correlation and property values we want to show. Let's take a look at how PVT data can be processed. Let's select, for example, oil volume factor. So even though we have provided the default correlations, we can still manually enter custom data points. Let's do that. We can see that the input points do not match with the default correlations. There are two options available for adjusting the data points. First, we can use the fitting. This correlation model approximates every input data point. However, when we use the interpolation, the correlation model matches every input point. So the user can select between these two options and see which one yields better results. We can delete all the input points and press reset to return to the initial state. Now, let's import some PVT correlations from file. First we do it for oil, volume factor, solution gas-oil ratio, viscosity, and then for gas, volume factor, Z factor, and viscosity. Now we see that none of the input data matches default correlations. To fix that, let's press the global interpolation and now all the correlations will adjust to the input data. And this was the basics of PVT tab. I hope you found this video helpful. See you in the next PolyGon tutorial series.